Hello YouTube, this is my entry into the ScoutCrafter Half Restoration Challenge. I'm sure that's how it's titled. I watched Magdad 357, he did one half of a wrench. Then the other half left it. ScoutCrafter did one side and left the other side. But I want to do one end because this is kind of a unique wrench. So what we did was we took this. See all this forging. You see that where the chrome plating's pitted off. And we dug. We found this out in the old shop building. All rusted. And what we did was this. Took all that forging off. Got down in there. Polished. Let's turn it on. Made in Germany. We'll take some close-ups. I don't know if you can see that or not. We'll take some close-ups though. It's kind of hard to get in here. We use everything. We use grindstones in the Dremel, drum sanding disc, and an emery wheel. That's what's left of it. They're like a rubber wheel. And we didn't use any abrasive wheels in the drill, just polishing wheels. So this was all done with just the Dremel tool. And the little pointy little bit to get down in the grooves. But I'm pleased with it. It's not perfect. You can still see where there's some chrome plating where it's a different color. So I wasn't going to grind off all the plating. I mean, you've been grinding clear over like the vice grips. I got a video coming out on that. You'll see where you can see where it's gone and not gone. But there you go. We'll go through here once. And then we'll flip it around. So we'll get some good pictures so you can see that. Made in Germany, that's kind of neat. I like having stuff like this. I got that one wrench that's made in West Germany. So thanks for watching. Real short video. That's all we need on this. And enjoy the pictures.